Science and technology help society be richer, safer, cleaner, healthier. RCA addresses the needs of nature and human beings. RCA seeking harmony and prosperity. RCA Regional Cooperative Agreement. What is RCA? Mutation breeding enhancing agricultural productivity. Non-destructive testing perfectly detecting invisible structural faults. Sources of drinking water being sought out in regions where water is scarce. And finally, medical technologies diagnosing and helping cure cancer. Nuclear technologies make huge contributions to improving human well-being, especially in agriculture, industry, the environment and medical care. Countries that recognize the importance of nuclear technology have started to pursue the mutual development of nuclear technology. International society is collaborating in the effort. And so Asia-Pacific countries signed the Regional Cooperative Agreement, that was the RCA in 1972.
The RCA is founded in order to address the research, development and training needs of the 17 member states in the field of nuclear science and technology.
The main mission of the RCA is to find and adopt nuclear technologies that can address the socio-economic needs in the region, to provide means for customized technology and knowledge to be shared amongst the member states, and to encourage sustainability of nuclear technology capabilities in the region. 17 member states participated in the RCA. The RCA member states are Australia, Bangladesh, China, India, Indonesia, Japan, Republic of Korea, Malaysia, Mongolia, Myanmar, New Zealand, Pakistan, the Philippines, Singapore, Sri Lanka, Thailand, and Vietnam. 119 RCA projects have been successfully implemented using a total budget of $59 million and more than 8,200 professionals have been trained. The success story. RCA has achieved significant results in the agricultural, industrial, environmental and medical sectors thanks to its model of regional cooperation.
RCA has about 40 years history to benefit member country in the field of human health, agriculture and industrial development.
The development of agriculture is especially very important in the RCA program. Accordingly, member states have been able to improve agricultural productivity by adopting a range of nuclear technologies, which have resulted in a number of high-yield varieties of grain, the eradication of crop vermin, the long-term storage of food, improved livestock, forage development, and soil and water management for food production. Many RCA member states have dramatically improved agricultural productivity thanks to the development and dissemination of new agricultural varieties made possible through the application of radiation technology.
In this project, we irradiate the seeds of sorghum by gamma irradiation, and we evaluate the yields to increase between 20 to 30%.
For example, India improved the yield rate and quality of groundnuts using developed new varieties by radiation-induced mutation breeding. Sri Lanka also enhanced the yield and quality of crops such as capsicum and rambutan plants through effective pest control by using radiation-processed chitosan. Bangladesh, the Philippines, China, Indonesia and Myanmar have conducted research on animal nutrition and metabolism by applying radioisotope technology, 39 new feeds have been developed. The RCA program also applies nuclear technologies in environmental areas in a variety of ways to produce improvements for member states. By alleviating air pollution, searching for clean drinking water and preventing underground water pollution by charting the path of pollution, RCA also enables the analysis of soil erosion and the treatment of sewage and wastewater.
Main achievement of this project was that we were able to get better information on the processes of groundwater and surface water interaction.
Bangladesh analyzed paths whereby pollutants get into the atmosphere and reduced air pollution by a third thanks to ion beam analysis technology. Likewise, RCA has contributed to member states conserving and maintaining a clean environment by continuously distributing various nuclear technologies. RCA projects have also contributed to the industrial development of member states in the region. The application of radiation processing has helped industry in the areas of treatment of agricultural products and medical device sterilization. Safety inspection of large structures such as dams and bridges and non-destructive testing on industrial products. In particular, NDT is a technology for finding invisible defects. NDT is an important technology that is applied to transport, construction as well as the medical field.
And at the beginning, we give emphasis on training manpower in each member state. So as a result, each member state, they have their own experts in the field.
In the medical sector, early diagnosis of cancer and dementia is possible with PET-SPECT, which uses radioisotopes. Radiation technology is also used to cure various diseases. RCA is concentrating on sharing the related medical technology by providing education and training.
RCA has usually promoted effective technical cooperation in radiation medicine through fellowship, regional training course, and expert mission. It enhances public health and quality of life in the Asian region.
RCA member states frequently work together on partnership projects in collaboration with international organizations like UNDP and FNCA. The typical cases are the RCA-UNDP partnership projects on mitigating the coastal impact of tsunami using nuclear technology and promoting nuclear SPECT-PET imaging technologies in the region.
Tsunami Impact Project with the cooperation of the RCA and UNDP. It was the most successful result because a close collaboration of both organizations.
The Messenger of Prosperity, RCA. The RCA projects have customized implementation strategies which are tailored to the region and ensure the effective cooperation of member states. The RCA carries out projects effectively by supporting education and training, which are the key to sustainable nuclear technology transfer. The RCA dispatches professionals who are familiar with the region's education needs. The RCA assists member states lacking in facilities to use those of other member states. The RCA establishes strategies that promote information exchange on developing nuclear technology. The review, analysis and development of RCA projects are conducted annually at the two RCA policy meetings, the National Representative Meeting and the General Conference Meeting. In addition, the RCA addresses major policy issues. The recently approved 2012 to 2017 midterm strategic plan has set the future policy direction.
Over the past 40 years, technology transfer has been very effective in upgrading the capabilities of member states in the region. For the future, the challenge is going to be bringing in new technology.
The RCA Regional Office was established in 2002 in Daejeon, Republic of Korea. The mission of RCA-RO is to expand partnerships with other international organizations such as the UNDP and promote RCA activities both regionally and internationally. At the same time, the IAEA provides financial and technological support for the RCA projects and their implementation.
The IAEA shall continue supporting RCA future activities and initiatives. We will play the role of a reliable partner to further strengthen RCA's performance and enlarge its outreach in the region.
The name representing partnership. The name of development. The name of prosperity for the future. RCA. The RCA will continuously expand its collaboration with international organizations and countries in the region. The future for nuclear technology that RCA has been pioneering is now beginning. RCA, Regional Cooperative Agreement.